Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Well, it's just a DisplayPort Yorkie. No, it's not. On one end, it's a DisplayPort cable connection, and on the other end, it's a Type-C connection. But there's some certain things that makes this a little bit special. It's not for the average user, although, anyone can buy it, and it will work extremely well. Now, while I'm setting this up, I'm going to give you some bullet points on what's so special about this cable. So bear with me. This cable is a great investment for those seeking top-tier display performance and versatile connectivity for the modern devices. This cable supports ultra-high resolution, including, you ain't going to believe this, including 16K at 30 Hz, 8K at 120 Hz, and 4K at 240 Hz, making it perfect for gaming, media editing, and immersive viewing experiences. This has FESA certification, ensuring top-notch quality and compatibility with the latest DisplayPort 2.1 standards, guaranteeing a reliable and stable connection. Blazing fast data transfers with 40 gigabytes per second bandwidth, this cable supports Thunderbolt 5 and 4 speeds, allowing for fast data transfers and smooth video outputs, which is especially useful for high-end performance setups. Built with premium materials and a sturdy 6.6 feet length, the cable is durable and long enough for convenient connection without signal loss. No need for additional drivers or software. It's easy to use, making it perfect for professionals and casual users alike. I've connected it to my phone because I thought that would be really easy to show you how it actually works. And yeah, there is no lag there. No lag whatsoever. Now, that doesn't mean it's going to work on your phone or your tablet, because you have to make sure you've got the right Type-C connection or USB Type-C connection that can do display output. Well, my phone can, as you can see. Perfect. Camera? Perfect. Yeah, whether you're on photo or video. Yeah, perfect. No issues with it whatsoever. It is plug and play. But like I said, you have to make sure you've got the right Type-C connection on your device, whether you're using a phone, tablet, or a PC. If it hasn't got output for display or isn't capable of doing output, I do believe it has to be 2.1 on your USB Type-C connection, but don't quote me on that. I might be wrong. Might be 2.0. It's either 2.0 or 2.1. It should work, and it should give you a display output, and also will give you the best performance, whether it be for speed or whether it be for image quality. It will give you the best performance. So what do I think? Or what do you think? I think it's good. It actually says on now 16K. It's got DP on it, DisplayPort, 16K. So the next time you go shopping and you're thinking about buying a DisplayPort cable with USB Type-C or even HDMI, make sure it's certified. That way you will get the best performance that money can buy, and hopefully future-proof as well. So with that in mind, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the bell to get notified for the next time my videos get uploaded and go live. Thank you very much for watching.